Well, we're kind of on a roll, aren't we? I mean, it's cold out, and now we're expecting a little bit of snow. Not huge, right?
Not a big deal. The light snow tonight, down East Maine, northern Maine. Then more of us have a chance. A lot more of us have a chance on Friday and Saturday. Which it's amazing how these things get out ahead of us now as meteorologists. Like, I was being interrogated about this storm like 2 days ago.
That's a lot of pressure.
It is.
Yeah.
And some of it's like my own fault. Like people on Twitter, where's the map? This is where it's,
Instant gratification.
I want the map. Fine, you'll get it, okay? See if you like it or not. Here's a look at the visible satellite. I want to show you this storm spinning out here. This is the one that got pushed offshore Sunday. It's been sitting out here for a couple of days, coming back around now because of a big upper atmospheric block that's going to push it back into northern and down East Maine. That'll give us some light snow. The rest of us tonight are just going to be chilly. Teens and 20s. Again, a couple of snow showers and squalls are a possibility. The area of light snow, the shield though of light snow, is in northern Maine around midnight, then dives down into the mid-coast, down East Maine and northern mid-coast, I guess, by tomorrow morning. And so it's snowing lightly at that time, but it is a morning commute and it's cold, so it'll stick immediately to roadways and whatnot. The rest of us will be fine. Mixture of sun and clouds, isolated snow shower or squall during the day tomorrow, but not a whole lot of activity outside of the down east area. And then Thursday is a cloudy day. Temperatures rise to upper 30s. We wait for our next storm system. So here's what we have for snow tonight, tomorrow, an inch or two out here from Bar Harbor up to Bangor, then kind of shooting across into central Aroostook County, and then some snow squalls in the mountains too, but notice really nothing going on in the coastal plain, including Lewis and Augusta out towards Waterville is going to be right on the line there. Okay, more interesting storm Friday into Saturday. Storm's still on. We've seen this one coming since last week, right? And it's just been a question of the rain-snow line. That's still the biggest question mark, as we are going to have some warm air along the coastline. The mid-levels of the storm look good. They look pretty cold. Surface, though, it's borderline along the coast, and that's because that low is right over Boston. We talked about that. You want the low to be east of Boston to have a good storm. But for a lot of the state, this is snow, and snowing hard Friday afternoon, Friday night, early Saturday morning before the storm stacks on out of here Saturday afternoon. So in this whole map, the parts I feel best about, inland being snow and being substantial snow, and the toughest spot, unfortunate for population density purposes, is right in here. Does this stay under an inch, or do we get some more snow than that? Right now, I think it's just too warm. So I've got us under an inch, but 1 to 3 takes over just to the northwest of Portland, into the mid-coast, into down East Maine. You'll notice down east is snow to the coast, or more snow to the coast, and that's because the low is going to take a track kind of like this, and so it's warmer here than it is here. But overall, I think this will be a pretty significant storm inland and into the foothills and mountains. Obviously, that 10 to 14 is welcome by ski areas and other winter weather enthusiasts, if you will. So we'll keep an eye on that. There's still time to fine tune it. And there's a couple of models, guys, that don't really even go out as far. We like to look at all the information we can get. A couple of them don't even go out to Friday yet. No. So we'll get a little bit more tomorrow. But I think this is a good starting point for a map, and then we'll adjust if needed. Hopefully not. Hopefully we just leave it.
There's a time of year people get their shopping done and they think about hitting the slopes, Just
yeah. I'm ready to go. I just want good conditions because I'm a baby about that.
Well, and the kind of the craziness of that map, for lack of a better term, right? All the different colors and ranges and stuff. It's almost as crazy as the path that storm took to basically do a U-turn.
It's wild. It's because the gradient's going to be tight. You've seen this before. Hey, Portland's rain. Meanwhile, out in Gorham, they're getting slammed.
Oh yeah.
So that's what it comes down to.
Yeah. Hey, I'm in Naples. I can attest.
Yeah, you get some.
That one right
Naples
there.
every time.
That's a weird zone. All right. Thanks, Keith.